What are gray wolves? Gray wolves are powerful predators. These mammals once hunted across most of North America. Today, they roam around Canada, eastern Greenland, and northern areas of the United States. Gray wolves belong to the dog family. They have extra long legs and big paws. They can be up to 6.5 feet, 2 meters long from nose to tail tip. These wild dogs are comfortable in almost any habitat. Their territories may include forests, tundra, grasslands, or mountains. Thick fur keeps gray wolves warm in cold areas. Its gray color gives the animals their name. However, gray wolves can have black, brown, or even white fur. Pack life. Gray wolves live in family groups called packs. A pack usually has between 4 and 9 wolves. A dominant pair leads the pack. They are often the parents of the other wolves. On the hunt, a pack works together to find food. The hunt starts with a howl. This tells the pack to gather. It also warns other wolves to stay away from their territory. These carnivores look for hoofed animals such as deer and elk. As a pack, gray wolves can take down prey much bigger than themselves. The wolves feast after a successful hunt. They eat enough to survive until their next catch. They do not always catch their prey. This means they do not eat every day. Pups. The dominant female gives birth in spring. She usually has 4 to 7 pups in her litter. Pups are born blind and deaf. Mom feeds her helpless babies and carries them in her mouth. Soon the pups run and play fight outside of their den. They are hunting by winter. After 1 to 3 years, they may leave to start their own pack.